In this video, I will be showing you how I add plugins and apps to ChatGPT to expand its capabilities for any project. I'm starting right here on the home screen, and to begin, I'll head over to the sidebar on the left and click on Apps to open the full directory. In the search bar at the top right, I'll type in Canva to find the specific tool I'm looking for. Alternatively, I can take a quick look through the Featured, Lifestyle, and Productivity categories to see the other available plugins. Now I'll click on the Canva app and select the Connect button in the top right corner. A small window pops up to confirm the integration, so I'll click Connect Canva to proceed. This takes me to the official authorization page where I'll scroll down and click Allow to grant the necessary permissions for the tools to connect. Once the authorization is successful, I'm automatically redirected back to ChatGPT with a confirmation that the app is now connected. I'll click Start Chat, and as you can see, the plugin is now active and ready to use right inside the message bar for my next task. If you found this walkthrough helpful for boosting your AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.